Hi friends, this is Chris with Josephine's Design. Sorry, I've been adjusting this table and I've brought a second table to try to put the stand on, trying to figure it out. Hopefully it's getting better. This is an order from dekdesigns.com. I'm super excited. Let's open it up. And she put an extra sticker on here. Thank you for supporting my small business. So that's really neat. All right, guys, I've taken it out of the beautiful envelope and also taken out my private information. So this is an extra goodie. I absolutely love it. It's called Pumpkin Spice Mood. I love that for the fall. I can't wait to play with that. It's kind of on a holograph. Super cute. Super, super, super. Also, if you go to dekdesigns.com and you put in the comment box KRIS, which is my code that will help you get this sticker sheet for free. I don't know if you get this one too, but I do know you get that one. So both of these were free in my kit. So this is a really pretty kind of bits and pieces is what I call it. And then it's got, it's like an overlay you can see. So very, very pretty. All right, so let's get into the order. So this is August. Yay, I got this in just enough time. So I think this is the Cousins Hobonichi size. I'm not sure. I'd have to double check it, but super pretty. I love the colors of that. Looks like the beach and then real pretty flowers. And yeah, so beautiful color combination. So it's kind of a reddish orange poppy, some apricot, and then all kinds of blues. So very, very, very pretty. Definitely has that beachy vibe. Okay, now let's see here. So we have the Color Club Patriotic. So I love the Color Club. You get to buy by the sheet. You get to decide what you want, what you don't want. And if you want two of something, you can get two. So it's just a really nice option. So definitely patriotic, red, white, and blue. And then here's the work and the half scallops and then the day off, and definitely decorative. So lots and lots of functionals and decoratives. Very nice. These are the half box. So I love using these. These are always so much fun to use in your planning. And then the quarter box. And just so you can see the size, there's the size. Okay. And then here are the glitter. There's, quarter, half, and I guess maybe menu size or header size. And then these are all kind of like what you would call your glitter headers, but the glitter is the white. So very pretty. Days of the week covers, which is nice. And then additional date dots. That's always nice. I love these. These are the kind of movie marquee. I think these are so much fun. And I think they match it beautifully. This is a new thing she's put out here recently. It's got the pentagons, the scallops, and then the kind of what I call like a eyelet frame. They're really pretty. And then bildew. And then these are like the sidebar, so you get the menu, the habit tracker, more of the decorative half boxes, and then the headers, a weekend banner, habit trackers, like I said, scalloped washi, and then a longer washi, and then more headers. So really, really functional, super helpful. And look at the washi page. Definitely liked it so much, I bought it twice. So these are all washi pages, and these are really fun to use and really pretty with these kits. I really, really enjoy that she has done that now. So these are a part of the Color Club. So I highly recommend Color Club. Okay, now here's another Color Club. This is called Shabby Chic. So some of them are they have an actual story or theme with them. Some of them are just design like this one. So you just pick and get what you need. So I love the colors. This is Living the Vintage Life. Love. I love. It's really cute. Create a Beautiful Life. So nice. And then here are the half box. Basically your sidebar. So you've got your weekend banner, your scalloped, your menu, your habit tracker, your washi, your all of that. So super nice. You also have the days of the week cover. Really nice. And the date dots. Super, super nice. I love the colors. Very pretty. Very pastel-y with kind of a charcoal gray or a bluish charcoal kind of color. More of your functional icons, day offs, work, all of that. So really, really useful. Here are the quarter boxes. Here are the half boxes. Super cute. And then here is the movie marquee. Isn't that fun? The bill due. And then again, the hexes, the scallops, and those beautiful kind of frame-like stickers. Here are the half scallops, and I think these are gorgeous. This is the number one thing that drew me to DEK, is I love this shape. And then you've got an extra piece of washi, and look at the washi. So beautiful. Yes, I know. I love that. I love that. I love that. And I love that one. So they're all so pretty. Okay, now she also has some of the planner peg, and this is the gardening, which you know I love that in rose gold. Gardening time. Yeah, seeds. So cute. And then this is planner peg, and it's called Happy Mail. So this is all the mail goodies. So cute. She's throwing the mail in the air. That is too cute. All right. And then here is planner peg and movie night. That is so cute. I love that one. That one says Netflix and, does it say chill? I think chill. That's so cute. All right, here's Boo Bear and flowers, which is great if you garden and you want reminders to take care of your garden, to water. Here's another gardening one, and that is great to remind you to work in the garden. And clearly, lots of these. All right. So here is Lizzie, which is another one of her, what am I trying to say? Not characters, but design people maybe that she designs. And this is Lizzie, and she's got her watering can and her plant, and so she is definitely a gardener. Love that. Now this one is beautiful. This is called Ballet Beauty, and it is a swan, and then you can see all the ballet. There's the months of the week, kind of a priority list, everything. So super, super pretty. So beautiful pastels done with gold. And then here is a header across the top, and then more beautiful, just thick washi kind of idea. And then weekend, half scallops, all of that. And then some decorated headers, and then some plain headers. So pretty. And there are two, because there's somebody in my family with the name of, that I thought this would fit. So, okay, this one looks like, wait a second, are these the same kit? Hold on. They're similar. Oh, you know what it is? I think this is one size, this is another. So, that I can use in my memory planning, and this I can use in my actual planner. So, this is the full kit, and isn't it beautiful? Ah, so beautiful. Look at the washi. Isn't that beautiful? And then we've got the tag stickers and the stamp stickers and the days of the week. And we've got the 3 ballerinas. How pretty is that? So beautiful. We also have the date dots. And it's all in that silver foil. We've got the half boxes and the quarter boxes and the menu, or, you know, kind of little headers. We've got the pennant and the half scallops, or the half eyelet and the half scallops is what I call them. The work and then the decoratives. And then we've got the checklist, the clipboard, what I use for menu planning, days of the week, and then more of the habit trackers, and then the titles. Love those. More designated headers, glitter headers, more checklist, weekend, and then we've got 2 little washis right there. Super, super beautiful, beautiful kit. Definitely liked it so much I did it twice, but I know that one of them I'm giving to my family member. So, all right. This one is called Chamomile. It's about tea and jeans and chamomile flowers. So, I keep planting chamomile and I cannot get it to come up yet, but I'm going to keep trying. I keep seeding it. I mean, I get the green, I don't get the flowers, so still working on it. But, so we've got the chamomile tea. So the creams and salves and the perfumes, and then the jeans and tennis shoes, and look at the butterflies in the foil. Isn't that sweet? It's here too and here. So beautiful. I use this for my menu, and then here's just for a listing, and then look at that washi. Isn't that pretty? So then here we go again. We've got this particular wider washi. Then we've got the days of the week washi. And sometimes if I buy these and they don't fit exactly, I just cut them apart. Whoops, sorry. I just cut them apart and use them however they fit. And then you've got the designated headers, the glitter headers, the weekend, the tags, the postage stamp, and then the half circles. So super cute. Here's the different size of that. So again, and there's that, and this one, and then this one. I love the pennant. It's so pretty. And you get more and more. You get more of these like journaling boxes is what I use these for. And then look at these, just the plain color. I like those. That's really different. I haven't seen that for a while. Love it. Okay, more of kind of the glitter headers, the weekend, the checklist, and the designated headers. Priority list type, listing boxes. And again, I use these for meal planning, labels, or, memory or reminders for your planner, your habit trackers, your clipboards, all of that. So this turned out kind of cute. There were a couple of, I liked it so much I bought it twice, but in a different size. And yeah, and then there was a whole lot of the decorative icons in this. Super fun, super cute, and just things to remind me to get things done. And then we've got this kit that I love so much. I bought it twice, and this kit I did the same thing. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Remember, put your name in if you're going to go purchase something at dekdesigns.com. Put your name, or put my name, pardon me, KRIS, in the comment box, and they will give you a free sticker sheet. Who knows what other goodies you're going to end up with. And then also my discount code is listed below. Sorry guys, is listed below, and you guys can use that, and it'll give you a discount on everything that's not already on special or a subscription. So, okay, friends, I hope you guys enjoyed this. This turned out to be such a nice box full of lots of extra goodies. What a blessing that is. And I hope you guys just enjoyed this and can get encouragement in getting your planners organized and the different things that you're doing. And you can use this in scrapbooking. You can use this in scrapbooking, memory keeping. You can use this in your journal. You can use these stickers in your Bible journaling, all of that. So there's lots of options for these stickers. Okay, friends, I pray your day is blessed, creative, and lovely. Like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, tell you every time there's a new video that comes up, and leave a comment. Tell me which was your favorite. All right, guys, y'all be safe. Have a great day. I'll be talking to you soon. Love ya. Bye-bye.